Shalom, peace and blessings, everyone. Welcome to Generation Impact for Yeshua. I'm Brother Chuka. Today we're going to be talking about the blessings of the Most High Yah. I'm reading from Deuteronomy chapter 28, from verse 1 to 14. I'm reading from the Scriptures version. And it shall be, if you diligently obey the voice of Yahweh, your Elohim, to guard to do all his commands, which I command you today, that Yahweh, your Elohim, shall set you high above all nations of the earth. And all these blessings shall come upon you and overtake you, if you obey the voice of Yahweh, your Elohim. Blessed are you in the city, and blessed are you in the field. Blessed is the fruit of your body, and the fruit of your ground, and the fruit of your livestock, the increase of your cattle, and the offspring of your flocks. Blessed is your basket and your kneading bowl. Blessed are you when you come in, and blessed are you when you go out. Yahweh causes your enemies who rise against you to be smitten before your face. They come out against you one way and flee before you 7 ways. Yahweh commands the blessing on you in your storehouses and in all to which you set your hand, and shall bless you in the land which Yahweh your Elohim has given you. Yahweh does establish you as a set-apart people to himself, as he has sworn to you, if you guard the commands of Yahweh your Elohim and walk in his ways. And all peoples of the earth shall see that the name of Yahweh is called upon you, and they shall be afraid of you. And Yahweh shall make you to have plenty of what is good, in the fruit of your body, in the fruit of your livestock, and in the fruit of your ground, in the land of which Yahweh swore to your fathers to give you. Yahweh opens to you his good treasure, the heavens, to give the rain to your land in its season, and to bless all the work of your hand. And you shall lend to many nations, but you do not borrow. And Yahweh shall make you the head and not the tail, and you shall be only on top and not beneath, if you obey the commands of Yahweh your Elohim, which I command you today, to guard and do. And do not turn aside from any of the words which I am commanding you today, right or left, to go after other mighty ones, to serve them. Hallelujah. So this is the Most High speaking through Moses to the children of Israel, his people. The blessings for following his commandments, which are written in Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, and Deuteronomy. The only thing we don't do anymore is the sacrificial laws that the Levites did for the sins of the people, because the Messiah, Jesus Christ, Yeshua, has already done that for all mankind, for Israel and for the nations. So continue to remain in blessings by walking his commandments. As you stay in the blessings, as you walk in his commandments, you receive these blessings. Stay blessed. Shalom. Like, share, and subscribe. Bless y'all. Shalom.